Hi guys, I'm Gemma Rausch and I am a business student at JPCatholic with an emphasis in creative entrepreneurship. Today we're just going to be going through my day. So, vámonos! I'm a really big plant mom. I went on a little vacation like last weekend, so my strawberry plant kind of died, but I'm like slowly working on getting her to be okay. She has like this one leaf that's like sticking up in the middle, so she's not completely gone. It's just gonna take some time. My sister and I tried stopping using the elevator because leg day every day. So right now we're running late for last mass, so like we're trying to run and get there, but hopefully a couple minutes late. We're getting ready for mass. We're right outside room N where mass is being held right now. Super excited. So we just finished with mass and now we're getting down to the Adoration Chapel and the confession line. Gonna go get some time with Jesus. Welcome back. I'm in the library working on a wireframe for a business class, and I'm with my fiance Jonathan. Say hi, Jonathan. Yeah.
What's up, guys?
There's Kira again. This is actually like a really cool project. It's basically like I'm enhancing a product that I use myself, which is like the BeFit app. And I'm working on making it like a more personalized experience for all users. So I'm just going through and adding like these little quirks about like level experience and how often, and then kind of annotating the whole thing, just to make this product better. Jonathan and I are getting married in September, which is really coming up fast. But it's been exciting. A lot of planning, but thankfully I'm doing a feature film project this quarter, and it's gonna take like credits for my classes, so next quarter I'll only have 3, which gives me more time to plan and stuff, so that's gonna be super cool.
Exciting.
I'm leaving my friends behind and it's really sad, but I have to go to class. This is Culture Foundations. So I just finished my last class of the day. It's officially 9:20. Here comes Tess.
Dude, take us some pizza.
We're now on our way back to Latitude. Whole squad pulled up. And yeah, I'll tune in when we get back. Hey guys, so I got home around 2 hours ago and I watched a movie with my roommates and I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you so much for sticking with me today. Bye.
And today I'm be filming my day in the life. Today I get to see the day of a JP Catholic business student. What we have on the agenda is first working out, making breakfast, writing out some notes for some meetings today. Then later today at 3:30 I have a class. And then at 6:30 is the Pelican Pummel event hosted by the gaming club.